how to turn on two-step verification on your Yahoo Mail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can protect your Yahoo Mail through two-step verification. So let's dive right in. Open up your Yahoo Mail first, and then on the top you will see security option. Just tap on it, and then there you'll find two-step verification. Now you can choose the method for two-step verification. You can put in push notification, phone number, authenticator app, or security key. So I'll choose phone number and then enter in my phone number, and then I'll receive a 6-digit verification code to my phone number. I'll just have to enter it and the two-step verification will be turned on. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.